A Cambodian government official said that the Group of 20 summit and the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Economic Leaders meeting this year will be a good opportunity for the world to discuss solutions to regional and global challenges. Cao Kim Horn, a minister attached to the Prime Minister of Cambodia, said that the world is facing many challenges now.
I think it's very important to continue to push the post-COVID-19 economic recovery. We are seeing the issues of what we call the energy security crisis, the food security issues. There's an impact on energy security. We see inflation now. We should not forget about climate crisis now. I think that we have to look at basically how to manage and navigate all of these challenges.
The official also expressed his expectations on China's role in the two meetings.
China is a member of G20. China is a member of APEC. China is a big country. China should be playing a very important role in those two key meetings, G20 and APEC. China has been playing a benign role, and I think that's what China should continue to maintain.